Planning to use Monzo while traveling? Here's what you need to know about fees and how to make the most of your Monzo card abroad. Monzo lets you spend overseas with no extra fees on card payments, so you can pay in shops, restaurants, and online at the real MasterCard exchange rate without hidden charges. For cash withdrawals, you get up to £200 every 30 days for free, but after that, Monzo charges a small fee, so it's best to limit cash and pay by card where you can. If you are a Monzo Premium user, you'll get a higher free cash withdrawal limit abroad, which can save you money if you need more cash. Before you travel, make sure your Monzo app is up to date and enable notifications so you get instant alerts for every transactions, helping you spot unexpected charges or fraud quickly. You don't need to tell Monzo you're going abroad. Your card will work worldwide automatically. Remember to freeze your card instantly in the app if it's lost or stolen during your trip, and you can still use your Monzo virtual card with Apple Pay or Google Pay while you sort things out. If this guide helps you how to learn how to use your Monzo card abroad, like this video, subscribe for more Monzo tips, and share it with friends planning their next trip. Thanks for watching.